Hello to all. I'm Bill Rulofs, oldest brother of Norma, and this is my wife Dixie. Over my lifetime, I have maybe a half dozen millisecond images seared into my brain. One of those took place when Ron and Norma set up a pontoon ride on the river that Dixie will explain about the setting.
The summer of 2008, Ron was in an active internship in a Reformed church in Alexander Bay, New York. And that town is situated on the St. Lawrence River, and we were able to visit them. And this incident happened while we were there.
We were riding in the pontoon maybe a half hour, and the engine stopped. We knew that this was about to happen in that the renters of the pontoon gave us an extra gas tank, assuming that we would run out at some point. So I climbed over the back, since Ron was driving, and switched gas tanks. Ron then tried to start the engine. It would not start. And it tried again, would not start. About that time, looking down the river, saw a freighter coming towards us. Really no problem at that point. Ron continued to start, wouldn't start. Dixie asked whether we should put on our life jackets that were on the pontoon. I said, no, I didn't think that was really necessary. Ron continued to try, and the boat was getting closer. This boat, of course, the freighter, would not be able to stop, would not be able to change course. It was, a freighter. Ron continued to try, and this just simply would not start. About that time, I looked up and saw what I think is the biggest metal object that I have ever experienced coming directly at us. Ron suggested that I try, and I said, try one more time. And about that time, the motor popped. He put it in high gear, and we made it towards the shore about the time that this humongous freighter moved on by.
The thing I remember about that experience, it was very, very quiet on that pontoon. Nobody was talking. We sure weren't laughing. I think going through all of our minds was wondering what is going to happen and what should we do next. And I admired Ron. He was at the helm, but he stayed calm. Afterwards, we all could express our feelings, which were, oh, we made it. But we have laughed about that experience together, the four of us, many times since then.